Can you day trade ETFs on Robinhood? Can you day trade ETFs on Robinhood? The short answer is yes, you can day trade ETFs on Robinhood. ETFs are like a basket of stocks, and Robinhood allows ETF trading. You can buy and sell these ETFs daily on Robinhood, also known as day trading. So ETFs follow stock market hours between 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, or up to 8 p.m. extended hours. You must follow the $25,000 rule for frequent trades if you're going to go with this route. Occasional trades are fine without $25,000 in your trading account. ETFs can be safer than single stocks. That's why people trade ETFs. Robinhood has no commission fees, which also makes it an advantage for anyone who is looking to day trade ETFs on Robinhood. Beginners can also start with ETFs easily, and some people actually claim that they might be easier to trade than stocks.